The world is preparing for the large-scale introduction of a new environmental technology. Carbon capture will be installed to minimize the CO2 emissions of a range of industries, including the power, petrochemical, and steel industries. CO2 capture will take place in large absorption vessels, and these need to be protected against internal corrosion and thermal stresses. Where absorption media such as amines are regenerated and recirculated, the purity of these chemicals must be protected by preventing contamination. Hadek now introduces a new, intelligent lining system that protects the purity of process chemicals as well as the integrity of the process vessel. The CO2 combi liner is based on 10 cm thick plates of cellular glass that are covered by a thin layer of stainless steel, which is connected by a special, flexible adhesive. The glass and steel elements are applied to a substrate using a chemical-resistant, flexible adhesive. This adhesive fills both the back joint and the side joint surrounding these elements. Once the elements are installed, the side joints are covered by a 5 cm wide stainless steel strip, which is applied using a highly resistant adhesive. This adhesive will resist to the chemical environment while releasing virtually no contaminants into the process. The glass and steel elements can be cut and shaped during installation, making it easy to adjust the lining system to specific designs. Hadek's CO2 combi liner system offers several important advantages for designers and constructors of CO2 absorption equipment. First of all, it forms an impermeable barrier between the chemical process and the structure of the absorption vessel. The inside face of the lining system consists almost exclusively of stainless steel, and this will ensure that process fluids are not contaminated with any chemicals. The lining is extremely insulating. It will protect the structure of the vessel against thermal stresses even when outside temperatures drop well below freezing. The insulating property of the lining system will also ensure that the temperature of the absorption vessel is almost uniform right from the start, ensuring a stable and effective absorption process. Last but not least, the CO2 combi liner was developed for minimal environmental impact. It uses recycled glass, and by keeping the thickness of the stainless steel cover to a minimum, the total energy input into creating the lining system is small.